So hi Puneeth, how are you?
I'm doing good, sir. I hope you're also doing good.
I'm really good. So how's your journey and everything? Today we are going to record that part. I really want that story from you. And first of all, I want to know how happy you are after getting the place.
I'm really excited. So I did not expect that I'll be placed in Wipro. So finally, as NG Network promised, the promise has been delivered. So I'm really excited and I'm very happy to start my journey in Wipro.
Excellent. So great.
So, yeah.
Finally, you got praised in Wipro. Wipro is one of the top name when if I just go back to the time and when I was looking for the job and someone gives me the option that you are going to start from the companies like Wipro, TCS, IBM, really good. So let's start your journey. How do you come to know? First of all, let me know where are you from basically.
I'm from Tirupati, Nitin.
This is quite far. Far. And how do you come to know about NG Networks?
So I started doing my research on the course thing. So when I was doing research, I got to know about NG Networks. I have shortlisted few other things as well. So in that, I found NG Network was legit and genuine. So I did my research behind the scenes. So that is when I got to know about NG and I started contacting NG.
I'm very excited now just to know about your research. Why did you shortlist the NG Networks? I'm very highly excited right now.
So I have gone through the reviews and I watched videos people who got placed earlier and all that. So I felt genuine and let me give it a try. So that is how I joined NG and I started my.
If I'm not mistaken, I think we have 1 or 2 negative reviews as well on the Google. Have you checked that?
Yeah, I have gone through it, but most of them are positive. It's a common thing, right? Positive, negative. It's common, but out of negative, I have seen most of them are positive reviews. Yeah, positive. There won't be positive 100%. Definitely there will be a negativity as well. So yeah.
So still you chose. Excellent. So when you compare NG Networks to the other places, I don't want you to use the name, but let's. What is something that you find unique and you should go for it? You should choose NG Networks.
The one thing I really liked in NG Network is screenings. So for every module, we'll have a screening. Yes. So that's really I liked. So because the moment we complete a module, so we'll have a screening so that even NG people also will get to know that how good we are. So according to that, they will take us to the next module. It's not we will again we'll go through it and we have to pass. So I really like that thing.
Great. So, with whom you spoke first into the NG?
I'm sorry, it's been a long. I don't remember the name, but yeah, I'm
Hyderabad probably. Someone in Hyderabad. Hyderabad.
I reached Hyderabad campus. Yeah.
Great. And then attended my webinar as well, my session. Which
Day 1 webinar I have attended.
How was that session where I was explaining this and that I'm going to start and everything?
It was motivational, the way you explained, and you literally you motivated us. It was really good actually. Yeah.
So you joined NDS program from us?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So I've explained this is this and that will be the process. I'm going to start from the very basic. I was very confident whether you're coming from the IT, non-IT background, doesn't matter. And this is how we are going to start. And this is you're going to be placed. So let's go step by step. So when you join, is that real? You will get a training coordinator, program manager. Is that true? The induction happened?
Sorry, then can you please come again?
When you join NG Networks, so as I explained into the this session, that once you join, your induction will be happened by the program manager. Has that happened?
Yeah, it happened. Yeah.
You receive a program manager?
Yeah.
Then training coordinator connect with you?
Yeah.
Are they connected? Are they available for you whenever you need?
Yeah, they were. Whenever I had an issue, they responded and they really did the great.
Amazing. And how was then we started from the basic of networking. How was that training?
It really helped because I was from completely non-IT background. I didn't know anything. So I started from scratch. So it really helped. They really did a great job. So I was worried actually at the beginning. So how it's going to be because I doesn't know anything. I doesn't know anything. So it was it really helped me. I was very happy. So from scratch, from basics, they taught me. And yeah, I'm really happy about it.
Great. Sound good to me. And then we started the real-time training. As the journey I have explained into the the sessions, the webinar which I took from the basic to the advanced. How was that journey from the basic to the advanced? Is that connected? Is makes sense to you?
Yes. The basics. Once I cleared the basics, so then we have moved to the advanced thing. So once after the basics is done, so we had as I said, training session where thing. Once after that got over, like we had a 1 week of buffer time, and then after that we got into this advanced training session. So
Advanced
it was
training.
good. Yeah.
So once your training, the technical training completed, we move you to the real-time training. Now tell me the real-time training in your words.
Real-time training was really good because they taught us how the thing will be in the company, like how we have to perform, like what it will be, everything, because we are from we are going to get placed, so they just taught us what it will be, what kind of things you guys will handle in the company and all that, like a brief kind of thing. It was there in the real-time.
So what is the difference between, now I want, in Puneeth's word, what is the difference between the technical training and the real-time training?
Technical training is where we learned technical stuff, like all that. So real-time training is like where we got trained, how we have to attend interviews, what kind of questions will be there, so how we have to answer, so how we have to tackle situation, all such kind of things were happened in the real-time training.
Yeah. And of course, you already talk about this screening. Now I want to know how important screening is there to move from one domain to the another domain. You already joined because of the screening. Now I want to know the reality of screening.
So screening is really very important because see, at the end of the day, candidate should not blame NG Networks if NG Network doesn't give placement. So some candidates will just blame NG Networks did not give placement, because as NG Network said on day one, 70% has to be taken care from our end, 30% will be taken care by NG Networks. That 70% is something that where we have to learn and we have to clear each and every module, and that 30% is which is that placement thing will be taken care by NG Networks. So placements is something that which is very important. Candidates has to clear. So then only NG Networks will also understand where the candidate is, how much he is up to. So then only even NG Networks can help the candidate to clear the placements and all that.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Once you move from the once your real time is completed, you immediately forward it to the placement. Once you clear the screening, you forward it to the placement team.
Yes.
How was that transformation from the training to the placement?
I would like to thank Rinku, Muskan, Rishi, everyone. They were literally, you see, Rinku is my God. He used to be back of me and I'm it was amazing. Every day, he used to connect with me, used to share all the videos and all that. So placement team, 100 out of 100. I do not have any concern. I'm happy with it.
So is that because when I was the student, Puneeth, when I have completed so many training in my just after the college journey, so I have noticed that people when you join a program, so there's just a trainer and someone, the counselor are there. We have multiple people into the this journey of NG Networks. As usually now onwards, when I'm taking these seminars or these sessions, I used to tell them it's not an institute, it's a company. We have different departments, different concerned person to talk. Are they connected? Is that team, that the flow is correct, or anything you have something that you feel that no, this is not going in the right direction?
No, as you said, it's going in a flow. So once after we are done with our training and all that, we'll be moved to this onboarding team and where placement team, where they will connect with us and the part will be taken care. So yeah, it's going in a flow actually.
So once you reach out to the placement team, it's we forget about the person because training is complete, or we still be connected with the
you guys are still connected. See, if we still have any doubts in the real-time session, or if I am stuck somewhere, so I can connect with Rahul, and Rahul will connect with Rahul will make us connect with the lecturers, and we can talk with them and we can sort out the problem if we have anything.
So what is the message you want to give to the juniors, those are into the training or real time, or someone into the started? Any message to them?
My feedback, my thing is NG Networks is 100%. They can blindly trust and they can join NG Networks. Yeah, and they have to do their thing for sure. They have to they have to clear all the screens and all that.
So I want the message for the people who already joined. and they are into the training, but it's still worried. Kya hoga? Like
definitely. See, I'll tell them is definitely NG Networks will place them. So yeah, but it'll take some time. They have to wait. Yeah.
It will happen.
Yeah, definitely it will happen. For
any
sure.
any message for my team? Any person for the team? Any person specific or department you like?
My special thanks to Rinku. Rinku, oh my god, like very happy for him. So he's like, he used to call me at late night and he used to tell, I have shared your resume. He was like very cool and like, I really liked him. So my special thanks to Rinku.
And trainers, how's the trainers?
Trainers were amazing. So cool, chill. Any doubts, they are there to repeat again and again, and they are like without any hesitation. Yeah.
So finally, the package what we have committed, you get lesser than that or more than that?
No, as you said, exact packaging.
Great, excellent. So finally, would you recommend anyone through the NG Networks?
Definitely, 100%.
Great. Any message you want to give someone who's watching your video from the outside and still little scared? Should I go or not? But they don't have that kind of research as you have done.
Please, I'll tell to if anyone is watching my video, please do not keep anything in your mind. Blindly trust NG Networks. Definitely, you guys will get placed. It is 100%. Yeah. You are seeing me, I got placed, and there are like a lot of videos. Other students are also placed. Please go ahead, watch it, and it is like NG Network is 100% genuine and legit. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Puneeth. I really enjoyed the conversation with you. You're all the very best. And now you must be watching my podcast, so you have the clear picture what we are going to do in next 3 to 4 years. We have the clear picture now.
So you guys are like expanding the business, Dubai and all that. Yeah.
And you have the idea now. You started into the data, now moving into the security, then cyber.
Yeah.
Yes. Excellent. So we are opening the path. We are making a way for you. So you start, get experience, and then come back to us so we can help you to upgrade yourself. Right?
Definitely. Forward.
Puneeth,
Thank
bye.
you very much. Good day. Nice talking to you. Bye, Nitin.